Last month, my family and I moved into our new house. It was a big change for us, and we were all very excited. We had lived in our old house for many years, but it was getting too small. My parents said it was time for something new, something better. So, after looking at many houses, we finally found one that we all liked. The moving day started early in the morning. We woke up while it was still dark outside. There were boxes everywhere, some filled with clothes, others with books, dishes, and toys. My parents had packed most of them during the week before. My brother and I helped with the small things. It was hard work, but also fun, because we knew we were going to a new home. A big moving truck came to our house. The movers were kind and strong. They carried the heavy furniture, like our beds, the sofa, and the dining table. We watched as our old home slowly became empty. It felt a little sad to say goodbye, but we were ready for the next chapter. After everything was loaded into the truck, we got into our car and drove to the new house. The ride didn't take too long. As we got closer, I saw the trees lining the quiet street. The air felt fresh, and the sun was shining. When we arrived, the truck was already there. Our new house stood proudly in the sunlight. It had a red roof, white walls, and a small garden in front. I smiled because it looked like a dream come true. We spent the whole day unpacking and arranging things. I chose my new room, and I was very happy. It had a big window, and from it, I could see the garden and the street outside. I placed my bed near the window, and I put my favorite books on a small shelf beside it. My brother also picked his room, and we helped each other decorate. The kitchen in the new house is bright and clean. My mom loves it. She said it's much better than the old one. The living room is big and sunny, with enough space for our sofa, TV, and a little coffee table. That night, we had pizza because we were too tired to cook. We sat on the floor with boxes around us, laughing and talking. It felt special, even though everything was still messy. After a few days, we finished unpacking and started to feel at home. I helped my dad plant some flowers in the garden. My mom hung up curtains and pictures on the walls. Every little thing we did made the house feel more like ours. Now, I wake up every morning in my new room with the sunlight coming in through the window. The neighborhood is peaceful. Sometimes I see neighbors walking their dogs or children riding their bikes. I even made a new friend who lives just down the street. Moving to this new house was a big moment for us. It was a little scary at first, but now it feels perfect. I am grateful for our new home. It is a place full of warmth, comfort, and love. I know we will make many happy memories here for years to come.